This video I am showing you how you can send animated stickers on WhatsApp. So firstly from here you have to open the WhatsApp app, and then you have to open any of the contacts, any of the chats, and then you can type a message button. And here you can see in the left side of type a message, you can see the emoji icon in this type box. Tap on this emoji button, and here you can see your all these things. And here you have to go to the emojis tab, which is the in the most right side of the GIF. And here you have to tap on the plus button in the top right corner of this. And then when you tap on the plus button, then here you can see all the stickers. So here you can find all the sticker that you want to that you love, and then you want. So simply click on the download button to download it, and you can tap on the download button in the right corner, and when it is downloaded, then it appears in here. So here you can see. So to send the animated sticker, you can simply tap on the stickers, and now it is sent. So you can also send another sticker by tapping on the stickers. So that's it, that how you can send the animated stickers on WhatsApp. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.